Hi everybody. I thought I would do some sweet potatoes. So the first thing you need to do is peel your sweet potato, and you're gonna cut them about that thick. And then fill up your fry pan. Now you can use your stainless steel. I use cast iron. And just bring this to a boil and let them boil for about 15 minutes, and I'll be back. You could also cook them in your microwave, but I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. It might be a little bit faster in the microwave, but I just like using my cast iron, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, they're boiling. Also, I just went to the deli and got a few slices of roast beef. So I'm just gonna heat that up in gravy. This is a great meal for 1 or 2 people. Just get your butter melted in there. These are almost running out of water, so we're almost there. And once your butter melts, you're just gonna sprinkle some flour in there. Okay, these have gotten tender. So turn down your heat on your sweet potato. And get about a half a stick of butter. And let that melt in the pan. Oh, I gotta get a couple out for the bird. I gotta get one out for my bird. You can't have all the brown sugar and stuff. But you can see pretty tender. So get your butter melted. And grab yourself either maple syrup or brown sugar. And turn this down to low. And get these coated pretty well with the butter. And sprinkle some brown sugar on them. Just move them around if you're using the cast iron. Just so that butter gets all over them so they don't stick. Okay, I'm just gonna make a gravy here for the roast beef. Just get the paste. And then just flip these once in a while. The handle's getting hot. And they'll start getting that nice brown edge. And okay, once your flour is kind of browned in here, or your gravy, you're gonna get 2 cups of water, or 1.5 cups. Pour that in. And then I use this. This is really good. And put 3 teaspoons of it in. And mix that up. And let that get thick. Those are almost done. Those look so yummy. Okay, my gravy's almost there. And what you're gonna do is just drop a couple slices, how much roast beef you want in here. And I'm just gonna cut a slice of bread I made yesterday and have that. And that's our supper tonight. Very easy, very quick. A lot of people are scared to use the cast iron with the yams because, or the sweet potato, because they think they're gonna stick. But if you do it this way, they don't stick. And you get that really nice brown edge on them. Okay. If your gravy's not thick enough, just take a little water and flour. I just have like a little bowl kind of mixed. Okay, that's good. And take your roast beef and just put it in there and turn off your heat and just let your roast beef warm up a little. Okay. But you can see these don't stick. And you see the nice brown edge. Oh, excuse me. And that's it. That's all you have to do. And you'll have a really good meal. Really quick, really good. And that's how you do the sweet potato in the cast iron. I had to make my roast beef for dinner, so I was just throwing that in. But you all have a great weekend. Thank you again for subscribing and liking and sharing. And the people that haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It will really help me out. And I'll see you tomorrow with something else new. Have a great weekend.